from West Bengal again, where the interim bail, which had been granted to 4 leaders of the TMC, including 2 ministers, by the Special CBI Court, has been stayed even as we speak by the High Court. That is the big story that we are breaking right now. The Calcutta High Court has put a stay on the bail order. Tamal Saha joining us live. What does this mean for the 4 TMC leaders? Because their families are saying, why are they not released yet? What happens, Tamal?
Well, Padmaja, it essentially means at least tonight for sure, Firhad, Hakim, Subroto Mukherjee, Madan Mitra, Sovan Chatterjee would be staying here at this very CBI office. This is the CBI office where all these leaders were brought in after being arrested. They have been taken to the 14th floor of this very office, and now we can confirm this very office on the 14th floor would be the home for at least tonight for all the 4 leaders. What you're being told by Calcutta High Court sources that the matter in all likeness would come up once again on Wednesday. Minded, it's a stay on the order which has been given by the Special CBI Court. What was the order? It was an interim bail, and certain compliances were given. Now that a stay has been put on that order, it essentially means it's neither a judicial custody nor a bail, which means for the next 48 hours or close to 48 hours, all the leaders are expected to be at the CBI custody, in the CBI custody at this very office, unless Trinamool Congress Council or Trinamool Congress Legal Cell plans to move to the higher courts, which is Supreme Court, against this very order. The chances are very slim. Minded, it's a stay and the matter is supposed to come up once again on Wednesday. The family members of Firhad, Hakim, they are still inside. The family members of Subroto Mukherjee, they are inside. If I just ask my camera person to give you just pan and give you a sense, the supporters of Trinamool Congress, they are all here. Of course, there is some amount of sadness on their faces. They were not expecting this. They were expecting the leader to come out. But now we can confirm CBI had moved to Calcutta High Court with the plea that under Section 407, the matter be moved out of court in Kolkata, essentially moved out of Kolkata completely, as the matter was heard, where none of these people have been made party, and only the State Advocate General, as the state has been made party, could represent. There, CBI had also suggested that today at the special court, they could not make a proper submission. Thus, they wanted a stay on that order. And thus, on that very appeal, the Calcutta High Court Chief Justice, who virtually heard the matter, he has put a stay on the case, and essentially means until the matter comes back to Calcutta High Court before the Chief Justice, which is on Wednesday, the matter would be on stay, neither bail nor judicial custody. All the 4 leaders will be at CBI custody tonight at least, and also for tomorrow, if TMC doesn't move to higher courts and takes further legal recourse.
Very, very interesting turn of events, and also will be important to see how the Trinamool Congress reacts to this politically. Remember, today the Chief Minister had said that unless they are released, she is not going to let up the pressure. Tamal, for now, thanks very much for joining us. It's been an action-packed day from 9 a.m. arrest to an 11 p.m. stay that has been put on the interim bail. We'll keep you updated, a close eye on this story. For now, thanks very much for having joined me. I'll see you tomorrow, same time.